Servus friends and fams. In this video we're meeting a small guy with a big future while riding the Woodpacker in Stuttgart. Stay tuned. To reach the Woodpecker Trail you can either pedal up from the valley or you can take the Zacke, the famous cogwheel train that starts at the Marienplatz and brings you right up to the start of the Woodpecker Trail in Degerloch. And of course, you probably know it from a few of my other videos, I obviously opted for the shuttle. On our second lap of the Woodpecker Trail we met Marc at the top. Marc is a pretty remarkable little shredder with a big bike and a lot of experiences besides mountain biking all the best inner city trails of Stuttgart. For example, he once did a DJing gig for one of the local radio stations. Marc showed us around on some of his favorite trails around the Woodpecker Trail.
Nice. Sauber.
Schön, oder?
Ja, schön.
Also ich mache es immer so einen auf Wild.
Go, 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 go.
Warum bist du den ersten Sprung nicht gesprungen?
Ich fahr keine Sprünge, Alter.
Du magst die nicht?
Nee, ich fahr keine Sprünge, ich kann nicht springen.
Warum nicht?
Ich bin lieber vorsichtig, Alter.
Ich hab's nicht mehr raus.
Sauber.
After lapping the Woodpecker Trail a bit, Marc showed us a few urban shortcuts back to the base station of the Zacke cogwheel train. It was quite impressive to see the level of confidence in this dude while he navigated his city and told us bits and pieces about it. I'm pretty sure that with this level of extroversion and confidence, he has a great future coming up, be it on the bike or elsewhere. Keep at it, dude.
Aber es gibt auch nicht so viele andere Trails, gell?
If you want to see more videos about mountain biking in Stuttgart, check the one below. Or if you want to see one of my videos from the Alps, check the other one. I would be really stoked if you hit subscribe in the center, but only if you like. And then I'd see you more regularly on this channel.